So sometimes shopping on mobile sites feels like Alice in Wonderland. So exactly like Alice, you see something that catches your attention. Let's say a friend posting a picture with new headphones, and you go online, you started to look for the same headphone brands, and you get this treasure hunt feeling, so all good. But then you go down the rabbit hole and you are faced with meaningless tasks like filling a very complicated form. And this is how the experience gets ruined. My name is Raffaella Stratta and I'm a research manager at Google. So smartphones have become an integral part in everyday life. And with the pandemic, the mobile commerce accelerated even more. To give you an example, in the UK in 2020, every second online purchase was made through a mobile device, which is quite impressive. However, 3 people out of 10 who started to search something to buy online ended up not purchasing anything at all. And it all comes down to a poor user experience. And this actually adds up to billions in revenues opportunities for those retailers that get it right. So we have identified 3 major pain points that customers more frequently encounter. Number 1 is scrolling fatigue. This is the biggest pain points identified. So finding the best option out of hundreds can be felt as repetitive and aimless, especially if you're searching through a mobile phone. Remember, you can only see 1 or 2 products at a time when you are using your mobile device. Number 2 is unfulfilled autofill. It can be highly frustrating for customers if they can't easily retrieve their personal information. Let's say like payment details. Nobody feels comfortable in pulling out their credit card while they are in public. Or maybe they don't have the card at hand. And even if they have it, well, filling a tiny form on a tiny screen is just not convenient. And the last pain point is site speed. So even a fraction of seconds can lead to some friction for website users. And friction leads to frustration. So don't expect your customer to stick around for the final checkout phases. Providing a delightful shopping experience is crucial for brands. If customers wind up like Alice down in the rabbit hole, well, don't expect them to come back. But if you provide them a positive experience, well, there are good chances that they are going to purchase on your website and hopefully come back again in the future.